Hey guys, this is Adash Sharma and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood and I'm going to be answering a few questions today. In terms of food, my cooking, which is अगर मैं थोड़ी सी कमज़ोर लग रही हूँ, you know why. It's a good thing that I can dance so I can entertain my to-be husband in other ways. Because he's not getting any food. I'm looking for a man who can make round dosas. They can be any shaped. Dosas of any shape. I'm looking for. That's what I look for in a man. Not that that was one of the questions, but I thought I should add it anyway. There aren't five, actually there are 500 because every day I say I'm going to watch this and this, and then I end up watching nothing. I haven't really sat and watched anything since the lockdown. I watched a documentary on bats, if that's counted. I also watched something about how the coronavirus was very happy staying on the bats, but then since the humans ate the bats up, there was no place for the coronavirus to go, and the virus got really smart and figured that the largest species, the most populated species, are humans. So let me go stay with them. Guys, if you're watching this, you have access to the internet, you have Wi-Fi, you have your hands that are in working condition that you can scroll through. So I think it's time to be grateful and not think of, oh my God, the most difficult part of the day. Because I mean, you're alive right now, so be happy for that at a time like this. So yeah, don't crib. But I mean, you can be like, life's a struggle, and I have to choose between 70% dark chocolate and 73% dark chocolate, and I don't know what to do because my mother doesn't even eat chocolate, she only eats creme brulee. I'm not. This is the time that you can stay away from friends and family and everyone. Actually, you can isolate yourself and be just with yourself, and you don't have to give anyone a reason because Corona's done that for you. So it's time to stay away from people. I think Instagram, YouTube, maybe, yeah, YouTube and Instagram. My mantra of not getting paranoid generally or in this lockdown situation? Generally, my mantra of not getting paranoid is living in denial. It works 112% of the time. But I guess in this situation, for those who don't want to get paranoid, who are watch a little less information, I guess, because a lot of what you're watching might not even be 100% accurate. So you'll be listening to like sources from everywhere. People will tell you lots of stuff, and then you start freaking out, I guess. Well, at the moment, we have no house help. It's just my mom and me, so we've become the house help, and I'm telling them about you. Do you only want to answer these questions? Then you can. No, I don't mind, then you can answer them. And my multiple personalities have been lending a helping hand. They've been really, really helpful in the cooking and the cleaning. So we're all having a lot of fun. Well, it's different every day. Sometimes it's mildly burnt aloo, sometimes it's crispy burnt aloo, and sometimes it's overboiled aloo. The same with all the other vegetables. Though we had peas today, and I think we did a really good job of making each pea. But I'm well fed. Don't worry about me. Givna, I want pizza, pani puri, and all. I'm really craving. Yeah, you don't know how to make anything at home. Drinking dal full day. Lots of dal though. Moong dal, tuar dal, akha moong, rajma, chole, those butter beans, baked beans things. There's a lot of protein. Need the strength to do jhadu poncha. Well, lockdown or no lockdown, I make sure I'm fit. But I think I've gotten even stronger now because I wasn't doing too much housework. Kapde sukhana, hanging them. Well, all of the housework, and in the evenings I'm free, so I train. I train for like an hour and a half. So yeah, I think I'm quite fit. I've been doing a lot of stuff with the stick, the Silambam workout that I do, but now since I have more time, I think I've gotten a little better at it. And I'm learning one more new form, but I'll talk about it once I've mastered it so I can share a video for evidence. I think I'm quite a disciplined person, corona or no corona. So, if you mean in terms of like workout things, I'm always not loose. In terms of personality, also as a character, I don't think I'm a very loose person. But now I think I'm tighter in the house because before we weren't doing stuff around the house so much. Now I won't just be lounging around watching something because we're cutting capsicum for salad. Whilst not cutting off our fingers, I have all 10 intact, need them to play the piano. So, yeah, not loose, I think. Darling, this is the time for red carpet couture. PJs are really, really tacky. We'll have to meet people, for which I will have to shave. I'll also go meet my 7 imaginary boyfriends. The 8th one is here. I'll get rid of him by the time lockdown ends. I need him till then, yeah. He makes very nice bengan ka bharta. But otherwise he's getting on my nerves. Well, didn't you say how you love to get to know new people? Now's the time to get to know yourself. Have fun. Also, did you know that human beings have around 60,000 thoughts a day? And probably at this time, most of those thoughts will be negative or unproductive thoughts. Also, because we are getting so much information from everywhere, and the death rate here and this, there, and that. So do things that make you happy and keep you in a positive space. When you're happy, your immunity is at an all-time high, which can help you fight the virus and keep your sense of humor alive. Not that you have to like laugh at stuff and be like ha 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 at the situation, not like that. Just have a sense of humor. It'll keep you kind of positive at a time like this. So don't stray. Stay home and stay safe. Be kind, be good.